Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to be discussing some of the finest artists I know. Actually, some of these chainsaw carvers I've never met. Who are your favorite chainsaw carvers? Did you ever make a list? Well, I'm about to. This is a list of my favorite chainsaw carvers, Volume 1. I hope you're going to stick around to the end because these carvers just do some incredible work. Well, we can't just sit around here with our hands in our pockets. Let's get this show on the road. My name is Jeff Mohr. I'm the Northwoods Carver, and thanks for seeing what I saw. Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to do a video. Welcome back, everyone.
Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be a series. I just that up.
Welcome back, everyone. My name's Jeff Mohr. I'm the Northwoods Carver. Thanks for seeing what I saw. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. This is going to be a video series. This is going to be the very first, part.
I'm trying not to laugh, but every other word you're screwing up.
Welcome back, everyone. This video is going to be the first of a series. A series that I'm going to dedicate to my favorite wood carvers. Chainsaw carvers specifically. And it won't be like I'm just gonna name my favorite friends or close people that I know. I'm gonna name a bunch of people and of carvers. In some of them just haven't gotten their flowers, and it's just this video is a way for me to give all of those people props and credit for just being awesome and being consistent and excellent. And that to me is really important in this industry. I don't think we give flowers enough. You know, we're all so busy in our own careers that, you know, the only time we really talk about other carvers is when, you know, maybe we just got back from an event or blah blah, or if you're inside of a chat room, or not a chat room, what do they call them now, like a chainsaw carving page or something. Everyone's posting their work, but it seems like there's a bunch of carvers that I know of that don't really post too much, but they happen to be the best there is, in my opinion. And some of them do post a lot. They're just busy honing their craft, their art, their craft, their whatever. And I think that is why I'm making this video. So I can introduce more of you to my friends and people that I think are exceptional artists and creatives. Hopefully you like it, because there's going to be a bunch more coming down the old picaroni. Now, if you do have like a suggestion of a carver that I should take a look at, if I haven't heard of them, just put it in the comment section and I'll be happy to take a look at that and maybe include them into my favorite carvers list. So with that being said, smash the notification bell so you will be aware of the next video that comes down the old picaroni about my favorite chainsaw carvers. And if nothing else, if you're coming up and you're a beginner or you're somewhere in the middle, I guarantee you these people will inspire. In my hand, I have several names. These names are all the names of the carvers that I've chosen to be my favorite carvers. And there's more. Trust me, there's more than this. But I haven't thought of them yet. So I have to go do a bigger search. I do have a list of names already there, so we can double check, make sure that there's just one name per person. I don't want to have multiples. And I'm going to use a hat that my wife made for me. We're going to throw these names in this hat. Actually, I'll just separate these a little. Okay, first three. not going to look. Okay, there's one. There's two. There's three. All right. First name? Hans Gustafson. Right on, Hans Gustafson. Edith Plazotta. Marina Cole. So congratulations. Those are the first three. Like I said, there's no way to put anybody above anybody else or at this kind of level. So they're all so good and all so different. So this is the top. Well, this is the first pull. This is not the top three. This is the first three. So stick around to the end and see how this goes. I don't know how this is gonna fucking go. So stick around and see what they saw.